Hello, I've got this pair of kitchen tongs and the little rivet up the top has broken, and that rivet goes through the holes there at the top and also through the eye of this spring. So what I'm going to do today, show you how to repair those tongs, and all I am going to use is 2 pop rivets, yes, a pop rivet gun, and then I'm just going to use a nail to try and help to get everything into place. So what I'll do first then, I'll put the spring in the top here, and be careful if you're going to attempt this, if you're using that spring, that it doesn't flip up and get you in the eye or anything like that, or the face, because that would hurt. So what I've done there is I've pushing those two together. I've got the little spring there, you can't really see it, but I'm pushing it up in there with my thumb. So I'm going to push the nail through those 2 holes, and then just lost it for a second. There we go, I've got the nail through the 2 holes. Yep, and it's holding that in place, and then I just need to push the other tong around and line up the holes. Oh, there we go. And so at the moment, there we go, I've got the nail through both tongs, and it's also through, the nail's also through the eye of that spring, which you might be able to see there, I suppose. So it's going through there. So what I'm going to do then is I'm just going to slowly have the pop rivet at the ready, and I'm just going to slowly push that out. Yeah, so just slowly back that nail out, hold the those 2 holes, line up those 2 holes so it's there like that. A bit of a close-up. Push the spring pop rivet through, sorry, and hopefully that goes. Here we go. So the pop rivet has gone inside that spring, and then I'll go on the other side with the other pop rivet and see if I can line that up with the spring that's there. I've lost the nail, unfortunately. I think that's it. Okay, so I've got what I've got now. I've been able to, the nail's out, I've got the pop rivet on both sides, and both sides of both little parts of the pop rivet are through, I'm not sure if you can see that, are through the spring. So there we go, I've got the pop rivet gun ready to go. Pop it on one end and start squeezing. Okay, 1 pop rivet's in, it's been locked off, and then slide your pop rivet gun on the second pop rivet and squeeze, and bang, there it is, pop rivet's in place. Okay, so there we go. If you look down the top there, you can see the spring, the pop rivets from both sides are going into that spring. The spring's in place, and all I need to do is put on this little, what do you call that, like a little closer. Push that on. And there we go. The kitchen tongs have been fixed just like new. So push them in and they come up, and the spring opens them up like that. Okay, well, I know a lot of people are going to say, why bother? But it's all part of the fun and the challenge of fixing things, which I really enjoy doing, and so I hope you've also enjoyed watching me fix these tongs. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.